Welcome. Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education is coming with the lead Learning at Your Doorstep. The course is Utilization of Electrical Energy. This presentation will help students in achieving one of the course outcome of said course, that is course outcome number 4, Electric Traction. The unit outcome of this presentation is, after learning this UO, student will be able to differentiate the salient features between the given types of track electrification system. What we will learn today? Today we will learn differences between salient features of various traction systems. The key takeaways from this slide are advantages and disadvantages of single phase 25 kV track electrification and difference between AC and DC traction system. Let's see the concept map for this topic. In this presentation, we will see the comparison between AC and DC traction system. DC traction system uses DC series motor to drive the train, whereas AC traction system uses AC series motor to drive the train. DC series motors are cheaper, whereas AC series motors are expensive. DC traction system is more efficient as compared to AC traction system. DC traction system requires less maintenance, whereas AC traction system requires more maintenance. DC series motor is capable of giving high acceleration as compared to AC series motor. Speed control of DC series motor is limited, whereas wide range of speed control is possible in AC series motor. Starting and running torque developed by DC series motor is less, whereas in AC series motor is high. DC traction system is having less interference with communication lines, whereas AC traction system is having more interference with the communication lines. The installation cost of DC traction system is more because rotary converters and rectifiers are to be installed, whereas in AC traction system the installation cost is less. The design of substation is complicated in DC traction system and design of substation is simple in case of AC traction system. DC traction system require less number of substations as compared to AC traction system. The overhead catenary is heavy in AC traction system, whereas in DC traction system it is light and weight. In this slide, we will discuss various advantages of single phase 25 kV 50 Hz AC system over the DC system. In India, track electrification system is started with DC system because at that time DC series motor was used as a traction motor because of its characteristic, that is high starting torque. In DC traction system, DC series motor is used as a drive and also DC supply is used in OH wire. It means it does not require AC to DC conversion at any stage. But now Indian Railways has converted all DC traction into AC traction due to some of the advantages of AC traction over the DC. First advantage of 25 kV AC system is light overhead catenary system. In 25 kV single phase system, as the voltage is high, that is 25 kV, current required for given traction demand will be less. And due to that, the cross section area of the conductor will reduce and therefore conductors are light in weight. And hence the overhead supporting structure required will be light in weight. The second advantage of 25 kV single phase AC system is less number of substations are required. Now in this system, as the line current is less, voltage drop in the line will also be less. Due to that, voltage regulation of the line will improve, and therefore spacing between the substation can be made larger, that is 50 to 80 km in spite of 5 to 15 km. And this results in less number of substations along the track, and therefore saving in the capital expenditure. The next is flexibility in location of substation. As larger the spacing in substation, and due to that flexibility in proper site selection of substation. These substations can be located near the national high voltage grid along the main railway routes. The substations are fed from these grids, so no need to erect special transmission line for the substation. The next is simple substation design. As AC substations consist of only static transformers and associated switch gears, it does not have to install and maintain rotary converters or rectifiers as in DC system. Therefore, AC substations are simple in designs. Also, these substations are remotely controlled and therefore few attendants are required. Sometimes substation may be unattended. Another advantage of 25 kV AC system is less installation cost. The cost of fixed installation is less for 25 kV AC system as compared to DC system. One more advantage of this system is high coefficient of adhesion. AC locomotive has a coefficient of adhesion of 45%, whereas DC locomotive has only 27%. Due to that reason, it is found that 75-ton AC locomotive is capable of hauling the same load as 110-ton straight DC locomotive. High starting efficiency. AC locomotive has higher starting efficiency than DC locomotive. On the other hand, single phase 25 kV 50 Hz AC system is having two main disadvantages, that is unbalance on the power supply system and interference with the telecommunication line. Single phase traction load produces current and voltage unbalance on the supply system. The current unbalance results in heating in the alternators and voltage unbalance results in heating in the induction motor. The 25 kV AC overhead system creates interference with telecommunication line due to electrostatic and electromagnetic induction. Please take up a quiz in this slide and check by yourself. In this presentation, we discuss the points difference between AC and DC traction system and advantages and disadvantages of single phase AC traction system. Dear students, for detailed study of this topic, you can refer the books Art and Science of Utilization of Electrical Energy by author Mr. H. Pratap, Electrical Energy Generation, Utilization and Conservation by author Mr. S. Shivanagaraju, Utilization of Electric Power by author Mr. N. V. Suryanarayana.